I think sometimes moms try to go into labor when the baby's not ready. I think that one of the biggest mistakes that moms make in their labor and coming to the birth center for the birthing room is to come way too soon and then bring everybody in the world with them like it's going to be a birthday party. Labor is a long haul. Bringing people who are going to be spectators, who don't really help mom and are having a party of their own, bring a lot of negative energy into the room and help make mom exhausted for the long process that she's about to go in. I think sometimes moms also try to go into labor when the baby's not ready by eating hot, spicy foods, taking enemas and things like that, and then mom spends the labor on the toilet and in the sink. That's not the way you want to spend your labor. Conserve your energy, rest, stay home as long as you can, and bring only people with you who are really going to support and enhance your birth process.